Yes, I see you from my eyes, and I know that you'll be my leading guy. And I so give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, eh. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, eh. Give it to me, give it to me, eh, eh. So give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, eh.
Welcome.
Give it to me, give it to me, eh.
Certified Vibe Maker, the Condition Edition.
I want you to love me, baby. So why can't you love me, baby? I want you to love me, baby. So why can't you just love me, baby?
Let's party. Make your way to the dance floor, let's party. Forget all your stress right now, let's party. Get drunk and let's just party.
AC1 your mom.
Make your way to the dance floor, let's party. Forget all your stress right now, let's party. Grab your best friend and let's party. Party started, let's get this party started. Let's get this party started. Risco, get this party started. Let's get this party started. Let's get this party started. Let's get this party started. Risco, get this party started. They call me, what do they call me? They call me, what do they call me?
This newspaper.
Hey, listen, there's only one rave to be in October.
There's only one event you need to know about. One event that's getting me hyped. The one event where I'm going to shut it down majorly.
Certified Vibe Maker.
Certified Vibe Maker.
Certified Vibe Maker in Liquid Envy in Stevenage.
CV all day. Big up Risco with the South London crew. It's taking place 21st of October at the luxurious Liquid and Envy in Stevenage. And on the night, I heard that it's a funky house beat bashment thing, you get me? And if you don't know who I am, my name is DJ Quincy from Quincy Sound, Choice FM, the UK's #1 bashment DJ right now, okay? Killer Cam's gonna shut it down with the cream of the UK scene, you see what I'm saying? Funky D, Risco, Mr. Chaos, all the grime tracks, all the grime dubs, all the big boy funky tunes. Killer Cam sets the trend, plays the tracks, and others follow. There's no way Funky House is finishing my bashment right now, cause right now, bashment music's on top, you get me?
It is going to be a roadblock. If you know what a roadblock is, make sure you get there early and on time, because if you don't come into this rave and you don't go to this rave, you are not going to live your life.
On that night, I'll be spinning tunes from my brother, Vibes Cartel, Movado, Gappy Ranks, and I even say no more, you don't know, just make sure you get down there. You wanna know what's gonna shut it down? On Thursday, the 21st of October, make sure you reach Liquid and Envy in Stevenage to find out.
For more information, please call 07903 035 760. Alternatively, online tickets, theticketseller.co.uk or shub.com.
You should know about me, you should know about me, I'm Funky D.
Certified Vibe Maker, Certified Vibe Maker, Certified Vibe Maker.